Air delivery is critical to the success of a potato storage facility and its product. Yet for the past 50 years, very little has changed with the way potatoes are stored. It's time for innovation. ExactAir is a storage facility with a 50-year life expectancy designed around a full-length air and humidification system. Unlike traditional storages where a large fan blows humidified air down a plenum, ExactAir has fans and humidicells placed down the length of the building, blowing 35 CFM of air in line with the ducts. This reduces air travel from approximately 400 feet to 60 feet, ensuring the air is not stripped of its humidity before reaching the stored potatoes. Plus, with more fans, you have granular control over the atmospheric conditions in the bay due to multiple plenum zones. Paired with MUI sensors, you can monitor the crop and receive real-time storage condition reporting, make data-driven decisions about the bay atmosphere, and make more efficient use of resources to drastically reduce energy consumption, ultimately resulting in a healthier, more valuable crop coming out of storage and an increase to your bottom line. Interested in smarter potato storage? Contact us today to learn more.